lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Becca. I hope you all are doing great. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing since I just received an order that I placed from Adoreme. So this is going to be a Adoreme unboxing. I did one a while back and I still love their clothing, so I'm going to show you what I ordered. Adoreme is mostly known for their underwear and lingerie, so I thought it would be nice to show you other things they sell like activewear, loungewear, and sleepwear. So let's get started. So the first thing I have here is this PJ pants, which I think are super cute. These ones are from their spring collection. They have some cute pockets and they feel super soft. That's one of the things I love about their sleepwear, and they always have different ones depending on the season, so I'm always looking forward to that, and I can't wait to wear these ones. They also have like promos and things like that typically for their sleepwear, and I also decided to get this top. So I want this one to wear with like sweatpants. I think it's super cute, and I think it's going to be good for spring or summer. So it's super soft. And I also ordered something from their activewear. So I love their pants. They're super comfortable. Those are my go-to for like exercise or walking or like pretty much everything. I have this ones in black already and they're super comfortable. That's why I decided to get a different color. So if you're looking for some sportswear, activewear, these ones are definitely a good option. And I also got this top. So this is more like a just regular top just for exercise, and it's super soft also. And I got one item from their loungewear. Typically I get more, but this time I kind of wanted to get a little bit of everything. So this is what I got from their loungewear, this pants, which I love the color. It's so pretty. I can totally see myself wearing this ones at home. They do the same with the loungewear. They have different items depending on the season. And the last thing I got, it's a hoodie. So I actually have the pants from the same material and color, and that's why I decided to get the hoodie. So this is an oversized hoodie and it's super cute. I like that it's kind of thin, so it's gonna be comfortable and good for the weather right now, or even summer afternoon or things like that. So those are all the items that I decided to get this time. I just kind of thought it would be nice to share with you other pieces they sell. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget also to subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more content soon. Bye bye.